Hey, health warriors! Welcome back to my channel, the hub of all things vibrant and vivacious, and today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey into the world of peanuts, the unsung heroes of nutrition. Get ready to unlock the secrets of peanut power and witness the extraordinary benefits that will elevate your health game to superhero status. Cue the superhero music because today, we're diving deep into the sensational and mighty universe of peanuts. These unassuming little legumes are about to become your sidekick on the quest for a healthier, happier you. Hold on to your taste buds because peanuts are not just a snack, they're a nutrient explosion. Bursting with protein, healthy fats, and a cocktail of essential vitamins and minerals, the wonders are here to revolutionize your approach to wellness. Dive into the heart-friendly world of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that not only taste amazing but also do wonders for your cardiovascular health. Your heart will thank you. Picture this, a dazzling display of antioxidants. Peanuts are your ticket to this antioxidant extravaganza, offering protection against oxidative stress and boosting your immune system. It's like a superhero shield for your cells. Calling all fitness fanatics. Peanuts are not just snacks, they're your personal fitness fuel. Packed with protein and fiber, they'll keep you energized and satisfied, making them the perfect companion on your journey to a healthier, stronger you. Get ready for a mental power-up. Peanuts are your brain's best friend, loaded with nutrients like folate and niacin that support cognitive function. Say hello to enhanced focus and a sharper mind, your brain will be soaring to new heights. And now, the grand finale, beauty beyond belief. The vitamins and minerals in peanuts are your secret weapon for radiant skin and luscious hair. Glow from the inside out with these beauty-boosting, power-packed peanuts. There you have it, the extraordinary saga of peanut power. If you're ready to embrace the superhero within, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more epic health revelations, and share the peanut love with your fellow health crusaders.